Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to remove a filament jam from a makerbot or a replicator, whatever 3D printer you have that uses this PLA filament. This type of filament here, we've got white and orange, just some ABS and PLA. And I have a jam. It basically won't go in the top here, so I'm gonna have to remove this extruder right here, this unit, and take the jam out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So first you want to remove these two screws here on the top. Just holds this base plate in. Okay, and then you want to remove these connectors that sit on top. So let me get this spacer out of here. Difficult. Okay, get the spacer out. Get these connectors out of the way. Okay. And there's one small Allen screw here. You have to remove this blower. The lower section of this blower here is going to be in the way. So there's one small screw here on the side. If you come over here to this side, you can see that screw. It's right there. So we'll remove that screw. Almost got it. There we go. So we got that blower section. Make sure you don't want to lose that little screw there. Okay, and slide this back. And there's two screws underneath the extruder. So if you want to come underneath here, I'll show you. And right under here, there's going to be a silver screw. Right there's one, and right on the other side is one there. We'll remove those two screws. Okay. Remove those two screws. So now the extruder should be free. Comes off just like that. And now what you want to do is take off the cooling fan that sits on the outside of whichever side's jammed. So we'll remove this cooling fan here. There's a couple spacers, you want to be careful not to lose those. Oh, like that. And there's a little heat sink, and if you look, you've got a little gear here, and right inside there, if you want to zoom on top, you can see the filament jam. If we look right there, see that white filament? Now that's the filament jam there. So what I'm going to have to do is remove this screw. I think I haven't done this before, so kind of learning as I go. Yeah, so it looks like it comes off of there. Nope, I don't even have to remove that screw. Put that back. So it looks like once you remove the two screws that hold the cooling fan, you see there, they actually remove it from this mounting bracket here. So tighten that back up. Not too tight. Now this is the filament that's jammed, this piece. So I'm going to have to get some pliers and remove that filament. But that's how you would remove it. You pull that out, and that should clear the jam, and you can reassemble, and you'll be good to go.